Smartproxy is one of the cleanest dashboards in the proxy industry. Singapore and mobileproxy.com has owned modems on Singtel, StarHome and M1. At 5 gigs a month, they cost about the same. At 30 gigs, Smartproxy is 3 times more. Here's why. Smartproxy, also rebranded as Decodo in some materials, is a Vilnius-based mid-tier global provider. Clean self-serve, broad protocol support, 65 million IP pool, 24/7 live chat. SMP is Singapore only with named carriers and flat per port pricing. This video helps you pick 3 things. 1. Where Smartproxy genuinely wins. 2. Where SMP wins on Singapore work. 3. Pricing math at 4 volumes. 3 drawback on the board of where Smartproxy is the right pick. Smartproxy has been around since 2018. Their pool is 65 million across residential, mobile, data center and ISP. They market a polished self-serve experience to small and mid-sized buyers, run a sizable affiliate program, and ship a SERP scraping API and a no-code scraper on top of raw proxies. Absolutely, yes, the documentation is thorough. Code samples in many languages, well-organized API reference. For developers who want a portal with extras built in, Smartproxy beats most competitors. Or that 24/7 live chat is reliable. Most issues route to a support engineer within minutes during business hours. If your team is global and you need help at 3 AM Singapore time, Smartproxy wins on that single axis. Where SMP is the right pick. The SMP lists carriers per port. Each one shows Singtel, StarHome or M1, and you can request a specific carrier when you sign up. Smartproxy's mobile pool is sourced through partner networks, and the per-country carrier breakdown is not published. For Singapore work that needs carrier transparency, like a verification on a Singtel targeting campaign, or testing a banking app that fingerprints carrier ASN, named carriers matter. You cannot pin a Smartproxy session to M1 the way you can with SMP. Ports, allow list, usage, billing, API keys, 5 clicks. If you only want Singapore mobile IPs and you don't need a SERP scraper bolted on, SMP is faster to onboard. Pricing math at 4 volumes. Smartproxy mobile is per gigabyte. Pay-as-you-go starts around $8.5 per gigab. Volume tiers drop to about 4.5 at high usage. Mobile is priced higher than residential. Then mobile SMP is per modem flat. 39, 79, 149. Volume, resident at 5 gigs they are wash. At 30 gigs, Smartproxy is 3 times the price. At 500 gigs, it's 7 to 15 times. The sticky session difference. Both work the same way. Session token in the username binds to one egress IP. Then those chance, Smartproxy encodes country in the string. Session P keeps it implicit because Singapore is the only choice. Small detail, but it removes a class of typo bugs when you're rotating through many countries. Creates and enforce there. Verdict by use case, better fit many countries beyond Singapore. Smartproxy, polished self-serve onboarding. Smartproxy, 24/7 live chat. Smartproxy, managed SOP scraper or no-code tools. Smartproxy, Singapore only, above 5 gigs a month. SMP, transparent Singtel, StarHome, M1 selection. SMP, flat monthly pricing. SMP, direct chat with the operations team. SMP, the common split Singapore traffic on SMP, other geos on Smartproxy. Both products earn their slot in the stack. There for the honest gotcha on Smartproxy. Smartproxy mobile is priced higher than their residential. If your workload tolerates residential, you don't need to pay mobile rates with them. On Singapore-sensitive targets like Shopee Logged-in or SingPass, residential won't cut it, and you need real carrier IPs, which is where SMP comes in. Don't conflate Smartproxy residential with mobile when comparing budgets. If you're at 30 gigs a month or more on Singapore traffic, run a 1-week trial of both. Spin up a 2-hour SMP trial at singaporemobileproxy.com/client trial, no card. Point your scraper at it. On a paid plan, use YT30 for 30% off month 1. If Singapore is one of many geos, keep Smartproxy for the rest. Just move the Singapore line to SMP and watch the bill drop. Honest math beats brand loyalty. If this helped, subscribe. Next video is SOAX versus SMP. SOAX is the other big mid-tier with ACE and targeting. Slightly different shape, similar verdict.